Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And if my voice sounds a little raspy, it's because I've gotten over the cold, but of course it left my voice a little strained from all the coughing I was doing. And so my voice may cut in and out. If it does, please forgive me, but I'm going to try to make this video for you. This video will show you how to connect your laptop to your television in your front room or your bedroom, so you can have it as a secondary screen or a duplicate screen, or if you just want to be able to view the content on a bigger screen. The same concept applies to projectors. Most projectors have an HDMI input, and you can connect your laptop to that and watch whatever's on the laptop on a projector, where you can project it on a wall or a screen or wherever you want to project it. What you will need is a HDMI cable. You can get those from anywhere, pretty much anywhere where they sell electronics or cables. And the laptop that you have must have an HDMI port or a display port. Now, if your laptop has just a display port, you will need to buy a display port to HDMI port cable. And you can get those from anywhere, Amazon. Just do a search and you can find those pretty much anywhere. But now, also, both DisplayPort and HDMI carry both audio and visual. So you don't need a separate audio cable or anything like that. You'll hear both sound and you'll see the picture as well. So make sure you check your laptop to find out if you have a HDMI port or a display port. So with that being said, let me show you how to do this. The first thing what you want to do is you want to open up your laptop, and you want to make certain that you find a key on your keyboard that looks like two computer screens. Now in this video it may be a little difficult to see, it may be a little out of focus, but as you can see there's two screens there for the F7 key, and that's the key that you need to press in order to have the video go from your laptop to your monitor. Also, this is the HDMI port for the laptop that you will need in order to plug it into your TV using the HDMI cable. It could be on the back or the sides of your laptop. Just make sure you check it out. And then you go to your TV and you look for an HDMI port, as you see here, and you plug that HDMI cable into the HDMI port. The HDMI cable you can get from pretty much anywhere, as I've said before. Just make certain that you place it inside the port with the right orientation, which is this way. You want to make sure it goes long top and the curve down. Now if you're plugging in from the side, then you just make sure that the long side is facing towards the wall or the back of the television. Once you get your HDMI cable plugged in your television, you can go ahead and plug it into the back of your laptop. You can do either or, it doesn't matter. There's no one way to do it either way, or one way to do it first and then do the second the other way. Just make sure you plug it in firmly, turn on your laptop, and you may not see a picture. This is normal. This is totally normal. Or you may see your desktop background picture. If you do, press that key that has the two monitors on it and then go to your monitor or your TV and make sure you select the HDMI port that the laptop is plugged into, and you should be able to see the screen from the laptop. And as you can see, it's working. Once you do this, you can pretty much do whatever you would do if you were sitting at the laptop itself. Now, the best way to take advantage of this is to get yourself a wireless mouse. You can get a wireless keyboard too, and that way you can actually sit at your chair or your couch and actually execute these functions from the table instead of being right at the laptop where you have to bend over or look down or look over to see exactly how to navigate around the browser. You can go to YouTube, you can look at videos if you choose. You can also go to any website that you want and you'll see all of its content. You can also you can also listen to your music that you have on your laptop. It can come through the speakers of the television. If you have a surround sound plugged into your television, then the sound will come from your laptop to the TV and it'll come out through your home theater surround sound. You can actually watch your TV, movies from your laptop. If your TV is not a smart TV, in this case the TV I have there is not a smart television, so I have to plug my laptop into the TV in order to view content from the television and from the laptop, I would say. And this is actually a big plus for me, but you can do this as well. This is the friendly TV that I was telling you about. I made a video about that, and you can watch pretty much anything you want to watch, and that's how I watch my TV. And that's pretty much it. It's nothing too hard or difficult. Just make sure you have all the supplies you need, the HDMI cable and the adapters if you need them, and you should be pretty much good to go after that. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.